I bought this pocket knife off of Amazon that I plan to use for everyday carry. What I really liked about it, it was nice and thin and had a decent sized blade. So let me get it out of the box so we can check it out. So this is it, so you can kind of get a comparison with my hand. It's nice and thin. Look how slim this is. It's almost like a little pocket sword because it's so thin. It's got a window breaker on the end too, so that way if you ever need to break a window on a car or something, you've got this punch here. So that's a nice little safety feature, and it has a hole in it for like a lanyard. And then it's got this quick deploy tab on it. I'm not used to using my left hand, so. And that's the blade. I mean, very nice. It's got the locking lever right here that you use your thumb. It's got a clip right here. I've tried it out. Of course, it comes very sharp, and it's got that nice kind of like cut edge at the very end there, the point. I like that point too, instead of it just being like a little rounded. Really good for like opening boxes and stuff. These are great for self-defense, but I can tell you, I've never had to use one for self-defense, luckily, and I've used it as a tool for everything, every day. I mean, probably pull a pocket knife out of my pocket 10 times a day to cut stuff and use it as a tool. Good for self-defense, but also good to just have with you. It's a really nice knife. I really like it. I think you will too. Hope all this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.